If you think you need a big garden to grow watermelons, think again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow watermelons vertically using a simple A-frame made from 2 pallets. And here's the best part. We're only using 2 bags of soil. This is a budget-friendly, space-saving method that almost anyone can do. Let's get started. Growing watermelons this way doesn't just save space, it keeps your fruit cleaner, improves airflow, and makes harvesting a whole lot easier. If you're working with a small backyard, raised bed, or even a tight garden setup, this method is a game changer. Here's everything you'll need for this build: 2 wooden pallets, 2 bags of store-bought soil, watermelon seedlings or seeds, and something to secure your pallets, like screws or heavy-duty zip ties. You will also want a drill or a hammer, and optional, some cardboard or landscape fabric to help with weed control. Start by standing your pallets upright and leaning them together to form an A shape. Once you've gotten that shape, secure the top using screws or zip ties. You want this structure to be strong and stable because as the watermelon vines grow, they're going to add weight. Take your time here. This is the foundation of your setup. These are two sugar baby watermelons, and we're going to go ahead and plant them in one of the bags of soil that we laid over there. So I'm going to take my hori and cut a couple squares into the plastic and then plant the plants. And voila, we have our sugar babies planted. Now inside my home, I have some Georgia rattlesnake that are just now starting to come up. So when they're ready, we'll go ahead and put them out also. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. And I hope it was fun and entertaining. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What do you think of my handyman ideal for a A-frame? Thank you for coming along with me while we did our entry to Watermelon Wars 2026. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some fun out of it. This is my lazy man's way of doing things when I really don't want to expend a lot of energy. And I had the pallets just sitting around. I had some delivery of soil, and I didn't want to throw them away, so I kept them, but didn't know what to do with them. And then Watermelon Wars came around, and made perfect sense to use them as a handyman's A-frame. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell rather, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.